Tyler's walking around to find Daddy.
Is she funny? Show me no hands. Whoa! Look at you. There he goes. No hands. For Mr. Yishai Motorbike. Where are you going, madam? Bye. Look at this big boy and his two-wheeler. Whoa! Can you do a wheelie on your motorbike? No? I lost you. Oh. There he goes. Woo! Yeah? Yeah?
See my people on their motorbikes wear bracelets.
Really? Just like you?
Yeah, I'm just joking.
Why did you get a bracelet today?
Because?
For an activity?
Yes.
Which activity?
You can get the longest string ever.
Did you guys make a long string?
Yeah, well, it broke.
Oh. Which team won?
We don't know because our team maybe won when it broke. Maybe all the teams won.
Oh yeah. Do you do a music game today?
Yeah.